every Thursday at 1 o'clock. And sometimes on Tuesday. So make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Here we got the blue and white colorway of my Fit Signature bike. Right here, it's like the camo version. We got like a couple bikes, but this is the one we're gonna give to him today. We gotta take all this stuff off and then go over there and surprise him with. Look at his pegs, guys. These are not pegs, guys. I was joking. Let's build this thing up and surprise my friend Rocky. The cranks with the spokes and everything right here. Look at all this. Taking off all this paper right now. Look at the front right there. That's pretty amazing, not gonna lie. The amazing part is right here that you guys haven't seen yet. Oh, now you have. There it is. That nice camo. Okay, my name's like right here somewhere. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Where is it on the other side? Caden. With the gyro, with this little camo thing right there. These cranks. Ooh, look at that color right there, guys. And then the headset. Everything looks good on this bike. And there's a seat. We're gonna have to lower it though. Definitely.
Amazing.
We started building this in 2020 and it takes like 2 years for it to come out. You guys wanna see what's coming out next year? Well, you have to wait to see, that's for sure. Tightening the wheels right now. Oh, look at that little stamp right there. It says Fit. That's sick. All right, we're about to go surprise him right now. Just got the bike all fixed up. I mean, not fixed up, but we put it together. We got it. It's looking good right now. Let's go surprise him. Hopefully, Rocky will be stoked. Yo, Rocky, I heard it was your birthday. I wanted to come ride with you. Happy birthday, Rocky!
Happy birthday, Rocky!
Yeah, that's it. I'll come ride with you. But I got you a birthday present. Here. And I got you this bike. Wow. Alright guys, this is what I'll be riding today.
I think Rocky's hiding his money helmet.
And we gotta go get our gear on right now. And
Let's do it. Get out there, Rocky.
Yeah. last night, so this place is like super muddy and it's rutted up right now. But there's quite a bit of people out here, like 20 people. But yeah, and it like kicks you all out. There's like some rocks out.
So what else think of the track today?
I thought it was fun. I like the back ones.
Do you like the back ones?
Yeah, which one's do you like?
The mid track?
Big one? That's pretty good. Yeah, that one's good. Yeah, that one. They're all pretty fun. Yep. And they're so cute. The yacht is a cake. Yeah, and this place is about to close down. It looks like it's about to storm right now. Look at all that cloud right there. It's about to rain. Hi.
Everybody step back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's step back.
Good, buddy.
Hit me with it. Step back. Spin. Okay. Is there anyone? No, go.
You're good.